Thank you everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin broke the red line of resistance finally. What do we say last video? We said, let's just take these diagonals off for now and focus on this pattern. The idea is you're going to have some resistance right here. If you'll notice, you see this price action right here comes up, kind of bounces, gets rejected multiple times, and once it kind of breaks through. So if this continues higher and can break this level, a move to 17,878. It's obviously, this is the next level of resistance. So if you get a break above 17,340, I'm looking for 17,870 and then $18,500. Okay, this is still a bear flag. This is still a bearish pattern. 68% chance that it breaks to the downside. Now, just keep that in mind. But we've seen some amazing, these altcoins were on fire. Like, we killed it. I can't remember a day that we've had that's been so good in at least a month and a half. Like, it's been crazy. So this is Bitcoin 4 hour. And you see that the red line of resistance is now the floor. So if Bitcoin were to come down here and bounce, totally healthy, bullish retest, right? So again, looking for moves up here to 17,300, 17,700, 18,100, 18,370. So again, there's definitely some upside ideas as long as the bulls can maintain this level. You don't want to see this be some kind of bullish fake out where this breaks lower. If that happens, sell, short the market immediately. Is Bitcoin CME Futures 2 hour chart. Finally, Bitcoin CME Futures broke above the red line of resistance. So now this is the floor. Again, if you lose this level, immediately I'd short the market, because I mean, there is some support down here, but you definitely don't want to see a push this high. This has been a really strong rally. I'll show you why on the stock market charts, but you just don't want to see the bulls give up this level. And again, you could see this run up to 18,500. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person was up 31% on SHIB and 72% on BNB. Thank you, Chris. Easy to understand guidance has been life-changing in your group. This person, do not say sorry for another thank you. Do not say sorry. Dude, I live for this. I get home all the time and I wait for people to message me and just thank me because I want to help people make money. This person, LDO, I nailed it. 40% gains. We nailed it for like 90% gains. Don't be sorry. Keep killing it. ETC, Ethereum Classic, 422% gains by this person. Litecoin, 102% gains. 54% gains out of ICP. Ape, up 123%. This person, he took $3,000 and turned it into $30,000. This is over the past, I think this is the last 24 to 36 hours. Look at all these bangers. Had so many people rejoining the group, coming back to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount. So right now it's 60% off if you pay in crypto, and an additional $100 off to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email. cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. 52, 59, 80, 200% out of AI, which we've been talking about, and OP up 280%. You got to be in the right coins. Listen, when these coins start pumping, you got to be able to find the right categories. Okay. And so what I want you to be able to do is go to CoinMarketCap. Okay. You're on CoinMarketCap. Now go to filters, open up filters, and you'll see a little menu pops up right here. It's not on here. I'll bring it over. And you can go down and type in AI, and it says AI big data. Immediately you have all your AI. So if AI is hot, and let's see if AI is hot. Over the last 7 days, Vechain, it's up 12x in a week. AI, again, we hit that, up 190% in a week. VAI, up 140%. I told you guys repeatedly about these AI, doc.com, CAT, CAT, Axis, flourishing AI, Effect Network, Fetch AI. I told you time and time again. Look at this video a couple days ago. AI to run up and change the world. And I talked to you about building apps with AI. Like, you'll be able to code so easy with what's about to happen to AI. AI is going to take over. And so we have an AI run, right? And so you know to be in the AI coins. And that's exactly why I'm going over this situation, so that you know and you don't sit and miss some of the easiest money you can make in crypto. Look at these up in a week, in a week, in a week, in a week. Look, you've got at least 70 double-digit green coins. All I know is that we nailed the bangers. VAI nailed it. AI nailed it. AI 200%. Man is Matrix AI, another AI coin, 52%. I told you guys these coins were going to bang. You need somebody to sit in front of you every day, all day, and tell you what coins to watch and what coins to look at and where the money flow is. And that's what my trading group does. Go to AI and big data, right? And then you can sort it. And you can see all the AI based projects. The ones that haven't taken off yet are the ones you want to look at. Okay, go to the ones that haven't taken off yet. That's what everybody does. Just do what they do, but do it a little bit faster and sooner. What we do in group that's different, and what you want to look for is you want to find good, solid fundamentals, strong team, and we find bullish setups that are ready. Because you could sit in these AI coins and they not do nothing, then you sell them and they take off. So you got to be in triangles with an apex. I can teach you all of this, but again, just keep watching this channel and I'll show you how easy it is to make money in this market. That's all there is to it. You guys, just listen to me, please. Group or no group, search for the coins that are moving and buy the ones with the bullish setups. If you've been watching this channel for a period of time, you'll be able to find the bullish setups. I'm going to go to Kucoin. And I want to go, so over here, I create lists, right? I create lists. And so, okay, let me teach you this. A lot of this stuff, because I've been doing this forever, is advanced, but for me, it's like second nature. So when you get these huge drawdowns, it bounces. That's a very strong resistance level. If this, I don't even know what it is, PHA can break above this, you'll get huge explosive move to the upside, okay? And you got the 200 simple moving average come in. Okay. But here's the key. What I do is I go over, I have a list created of Kucoin bangers right here. And I show you in the group how to make the list of bangers. And I can click on it over here. And I've got them sorted by percentage. And then all I have to do is click on one coin. Mask is pumping right now. I mean, look at how good of a shoulder, head, shoulder. Well, I want to find the next mask before it's taken off. So all I do is click. Okay. Up only is already taken off. But you can just, all you have to do is hit space bar, space bar, space bar. Like, look, this coin right here, what is it? High punks. All right. This thing right here is starting to take off. It's starting to break out. I mean, look what kind of price action. Look what this did. It ran up here to 28 cents. People are making ridiculous amounts of money. I got a guy, he's on my wall. He borrowed $100 and he turned it into $70,000. How? Look at this. What he used to do is he used to buy every single setup that I posted on Kucoin, because all the coins do is freaking pump city. Go on Kucoin, make an account on Kucoin, and get in on these pumps. And then remember, make your list. Make your list. You can Google it. There's ways on the webs, on the internet. You make your list, and you can. I could do it for you, but it's a text file. It'd be downloadable. It's just kind of sketchy to download files on the internet. I don't want to get involved in that, but just know that there's plenty of ways that you can make a list for Tradingview. And again, this coin is BuyFi. And again, when it breaks above this level, like, it goes insane. It went 100% pump last time it broke above this. All right, so it's running out of room. I can just click through. And watch these coins pump, right? And so there's been a change, and we want to just go through, and you're constantly just going, and you can just see what's pumping. What hasn't pumped yet is what we want to see. What's about to pump? BuyFi, B-I-F-I, about to pump, is right here. If it breaks out here, or if it breaks out here, it's going to pump. Okay, and you're going through these coins, and you can see these pumps are insane. This is pump city. And I don't understand how so many people can throw all this money at this market and not have some of the basics down that we teach in group that you need to know. I mean, look at this coin. This coin is up. I'll just pull it from the bottom. This coin's up 50%. This is Mana. We nailed Mana. I know how easy it is to scan. Okay, so this is CHZ. Come across here. Look, this is, if this breaks above this level, it's going to pump. It's so easy to find setups like this. You just scan them, just hit spacebar. Like, it's not even fair. Like, the new money comes into the market and we just take it. DXY got crushed, and I'm glad it did. Because this helps. If this thing right here, if the DXY rolls over, then we're going to see a nice, solid run up out of Bitcoin and stocks. This is total 2. Now, total 2, this thing bounced, and now you've got V and then kind of a U. All right, what is this called? Adam, Eve, double bottom possible. If this thing breaks out above here, you're going up here, right? So you'll see about another 13% gains. In the small caps will 2 and 3x, right? But you'll see the gains that you've been waiting for if this breaks above this level. And that's all we're waiting on. Is it going to break, or is it going to get rejected? And if it gets rejected, have a defensive plan if this thing rolls over. Okay, take profits. Hey, wait on the next move. Apple's mixed reality headset to launch this spring. So this is Apple's path to the metaverse, possibly. The Reality Pro headset, it's called, is expected to debut soon. So this is the first major step into the metaverse for Apple. This is going to be augmented reality and virtual reality headset. It's going to be released later this year. Apple telling you AI, metaverse, NFT, huge market rally. Watch. Listen, Vitalik came out and he really saved Solana. Solana bounced hard. And he says Solana has a lot of good core developers, and this could potentially help maintain a bullish performance out of Solana. Solana, the market cap rose 37% over the last week. So there's this thing, it's called Bonk, B-O-N-K. It's been drawing attention in the beginning of 2023. This altcoin is another blockchain meme, and it's seen as major market speculation. But like these meme coins, it's a thing. Think how many people you're like, oh, it's about the technology, Chris. It's about the technology and the fundamentals. And you get Dogecoin and Shiba Inu freaking taking off and making millionaires and billionaires. and you're just like, it's about the use case, and it's where the attention goes, the money flows. So bonk bringing liquidity back. So there's a huge likelihood that bonk won't maintain the hype for a long time, but right now it has. Now, you know, Sam Bankman-Fried had this huge scandal, and, you know, a lot of people are wondering if Solana is just going to roll over. And so this is super high risk, but Italic is jumping out and saying, hey, they've got a solid team. This could potentially save Solana. So another thing to pay attention to. There's tons of YouTubers all across the world right now. They're all having fun in the sun and whatnot. And I'm here grinding with you guys on a regular basis. So I just want you to think, when we were down in the dirt, who was dragging you out of the mud? If you guys like the content of this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.